like a Hellcat.
Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. So today's video consists of sounds made by different planets and stars. So let's first hear these sounds and then we will talk about how these sounds are recorded. So let's get started. Space is a vacuum, so it generally doesn't carry sound waves like air does here on Earth, but these space objects emit radio emissions. This space music is created by electromagnetic waves known as plasma waves. The rhythmic cacophony generated by these waves may fall deaf to our ears, but NASA's Van Allen probes were designed specifically to listen for them. Shown on the screen is a labeled picture of Van Allen probe. So that was all for today's video. Please like and share the video and please subscribe to my channel.